Welcome to an exclusive showcase by Infragineers India Private Limited. Presenting our cutting-edge dual plug-in electric and diesel hybrid excavator. Infragineers India Private Limited (IEPL) has been a trusted name in the used construction equipment industry for nearly a decade. With a strong focus on innovation and customer-centric solutions, IEPL continues to push boundaries. Building on the success of its specialized attachments, IEPL now proudly introduces its exclusive Infra Electric division. Dedicated to developing multi-brand hybrid machines that deliver greater efficiency and sustainable performance. At IEPL, we are committed to meeting the evolving needs of the industry. As part of this vision, Team Infra proudly introduces India's first dual plug-in electric hybrid excavator. As electric technology represents the future, our team has carried out extensive research and rigorous testing to develop a system that seamlessly combines diesel power with electric efficiency. This advanced excavator can operate on either electric power or diesel with a smooth switchover controlled directly from the cabin. IEPL offers customized solutions tailored to specific working conditions. With innovative options such as a power supply tower with cable, electric reel winder drum, and center joint with slip ring. The EV equipment is further enhanced with a versatile range of attachments such as the orange peel grab, mechanical grab, pile drive, and electromagnet, enabling efficient performance across diverse applications. With strong industry experience, IEPL has delivered specialized solutions for blue metal quarries. Leading equipment brands are operating at full capacity in both hybrid and fully electric modes with a clear difference in efficiency and performance. Our excavators are widely used in scrap handling, waste management, port, and mining sectors, earning repeat business from major industry players. The company's motive is simple: to deliver maximum value. IEPL enables customers to upgrade existing excavators into cost-effective, sustainable electric or hybrid machines. IEPL has successfully converted over 100 excavators within a short span of time, with more than 50 machines currently in the pipeline. We are further gearing up to deliver a high-performance range of hybrid equipment spanning from 50 to 100 tons for mining application. Our prototype 5-ton EV wheel loaders are under testing. We will soon be introducing EV wheel loaders to expand our sustainable equipment portfolio. Be a part of the EV journey with IEPL. Connect with us for reliable electric and used construction equipment solutions tailored to your needs.